Hey there, period two. I want to show you a resource that I'm putting on Google Classroom for those who are absent as we make our way through the book Refugee. So as you know, we read different sections of the book in class, and when you're in class, it's great, and then you don't have to make up any work. You can also, if you miss some of the book in class, you really should come down during IE at the end of the day, and I can help you with the sections of the book that you can read on your own, or I can read them for you. And also on day 5, you can come in during period 5 or 6 and also get caught up. If you're going to be missing more than a day or two and you get really far behind in the book, I have posted this link, and it is a PDF version of the book. And that way you can read on your own at home if you have an extended absence. If you're absent for more than, maybe 2 or 3 days, this way you can read on your own when you're at home and you won't need the book with you. One thing I wanted to show you on this site that is important is to understand that right up here it has 1 of 283. That is not the same as the page numbers that are in your guided study. So it's important for you to understand that if you're using your guided study and it says to read pages, 15 to 30, that's the book, the actual physical book pages. This PDF will not have the same number of pages. So you just have to be careful and use the names of the chapters, or I'll try to keep on Google Classroom an idea for you as to what chapters you need to read. So you'll go down through here, and then obviously you can scroll through, and as you scroll down through, you can click on the chapters if you know the name of the chapter. I did not put the name of the chapters on the guided study, so it's only the name of the character and the page numbers. So that's something that, might be a little bit of a challenge to figure out where we're at in the book. So you just need to kind of keep track. I'll try to put that on Google Classroom for you. And then obviously as you scroll down, you can find the chapters. The other way is if you kind of know what page number you think you're going to be on, you can always come up here and let's say you think we're around like page 55. You can put in 55. Now, obviously, again, it's not going to be the right page because it's different from the textbook or from the actual book. But you can still scroll around a little bit and it kind of will put you maybe at the right place. So that's something for you to consider as well. So please use this resource if you are going to be missing more than a day or two. I really would prefer for you to come in and I can help you with the sections you've missed. But if you're going to miss a lot of school, then at least this way you can keep up with the reading. Anytime you need any help, you give me a shout and let me know. And I hope that I get a chance to see you soon. Bye.